Let's go with a new experiment. I have new tool and it's pencil app. So as you can see, I have here Builderius. I create hero section. So I don't have some idea how to create, for example, about us or services or whatever section. So I will simply tell him. So I told him create services section for my SEO agency website and I will click enter. And you can see here how he is creating. You can see here, and we will leave him that he create this section. One thing you can see here, how he is working. And you can see here what he created. Okay, he is done. And now what I will do, I will delete this and I have my services SEO agency. And what I will do, I will save this. Let's go to save, and I will call this service and I will click save. Okay, so we can move this down, and as you can see here, I have services pen. I will click here right and I will copy the path of this file so we can move this as well, and I will write now in my text, so just that. Okay, so let's go to take Claude AI. Just simple explanation why I don't work directly here, because sometimes I work more different things and experiments. So I work here, but the best thing is that you work directly with Sensei AI. So don't think that this is something special or something like that. And let's go paste. So what I will tell him, build the services section from, and I copied the path of my file and I want that it's under, let's go to move this, I want that it go under hero section. Okay, so let's go to push enter and we will see if he will create it or not. Let's go to check. Okay, here it's done. So let's go to see how this look like. This is original and this is what he created. Let's go to make this a little bit bigger. that we can compare it. Okay. Okay, so he created this in pencil, and this is what he created in Builderius builder. To be honest, he created simple and really fast. I didn't tell him anything. He created even text, he put icons. As you can see, everything look really nice. Even this I create in the same way. I will show you now how this look like, and we can go to this hero and you can see this, and you can see this. So as you can see, it's basically the same except this part, because I don't need this. And you can see that he created really nice. And this part here as well, we can check again. So it's really nice. It's really nice. The best thing is the prompt that I used was extremely basic without any explanation, and I just told to Claude AI, look, there is a file, can you please create it in Builderius builder? And he simply created. I think this is really good way. If you don't, I don't know, sometimes people try to create something and you don't have vision, you don't know how to start. And I don't say that you need to use pencil tool for create a website. This can be used that he show you and that you have something, okay, this look like this, I will create how I want to. Then you can go in the inside of the pencil tool and you can repair whatever you want to. You simply click on it, you can change the text, you can change this, you can change everything, color, you have everything here for change whatever you want. When you are finished, you save it, and when you save, you just tell to Claude where your pencil file is that you created, and you simply tell him that he create this inside of Builderius builder. I don't think that this is complicated. I don't think that it's extremely simple. So if you want to experiment more, I want to encourage you that you do this, because you will expand your knowledge. Okay, let's go to check the website from pencil application. Okay, we are now on website of pencil application is pencil.dev, and you can see it's almost like Figma, something like that. But the best part is you can use AI, very simple. And the best part is you can use your Figma files. So it's not that this is some system that it closed and you can't do anything. You can use all your Figma files very simple. Another thing, if you go to the pricing, you can see that pencil now it's totally free, so you can download it and use it. Let's go to download. And this is very interesting. You can use it on Mac, Windows, Linux, and I try on Mac and Windows, so I will say it's work the same. I didn't try on Linux because I didn't want to lose my time, but if work on Mac and Windows, I don't see any reason why this will not work inside of Linux operating system. And if you don't want to download, you have installation, and you can simply copy this and paste it inside of your terminal, and it will be installed. Very, very simple. And one another thing, and you can read here, agent skill. You have skill MD file, and they say here pencil design instruction for cursor, Claude code, and other agents. So you don't need to be worried, and because they already have MD file. Of course, you are able to use your own MD files. We speak before about this, and I think this app is worth to try. First, because it's free. The second, you could see that it's work really great, very fast, without many explanation. I don't want that you work like I did. Let's go back to our page. I don't want that you work like this. You have Sensei AI, and what I want to encourage you that you go on Facebook group of Builderius Builder, and there you will find a lots of good and very, very valuable informations how to use Claude AI generally and how to use it with Sensei AI. Not because they will teach you something what no one knows. No, they will teach you how you can use all this what Claude AI have with Sensei AI together, so you will be able to work faster, better, and more accurate. Okay, we are now on Builderius website, and I want that you go to this website, read, because they have really huge amount of valuable informations. Okay, one thing more, I will leave this URL in the comment. This is very important part. You can see it's from Builderius, and it's about Claude AI, and they give you here huge amount of explanations what you can use with Claude AI and what you can achieve with. You can learn really, really a lot, and this will all help to you that you can work faster, better, and more accurate. What I told you before, for example, hooks. A lot of people do not know how I will do this, so simply you have explanation here, and you can simply do it. If you are, for example, you did it and you have some errors or simply do not work, you go simply to the community and tell them I did this, that, and that, and it doesn't work. So, and they will simply help you. But this here information are very valuable, and without this working, it's much harder and slower. So check this out and learn this. I will leave all these URL inside of the comments. I will leave the pencil tool, and I will leave from Builderius Builder for Claude code all these commands, and you can simply go to the Builderius website and go to the Facebook community, join, and you will have only benefit and nothing more. And the best thing is I ask many things, how can I do this or that, because I'm not born that I know Builderius. Everyone, when you start to use Builderius, you need to learn some things. So for every tool, there is a learning curve that you need to learn. So don't lose your time. Simply go on Facebook group and you are done. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, like it. If you want to subscribe on the channel. It will help me a lot. And one more thing, if you know any association and they are working with young people with spectrum autism or ADHD, and we, web design radionica, what we do, we create websites for free for them, and this is why we exist. We do not exist just we creating videos, or our goal is to reach more people that we can help to all these people who really help. Okay, I know this is a little bit more talking, but I want that you know why we do all of this. Thank you and see you soon. Cheers.